Pinterest reported quarterly financial results that are sending the stock price down more than 10% in the aftermarket hours following this earnings release. Of course, I'm disappointed in that because I've had Pinterest stock rated as one of the best stocks to buy this year, and these results or the share price reaction is not attractive for me. So Pinterest management team said that we're also excited that Gen Z has grown to over half of our user base. We found our best product market fit ever by becoming a personalized shopping destination for users and an AI-powered performance platform for advertisers. With this focus, we believe we're well positioned to further capture market share. For these kinds of optimistic remarks from a management team, you don't see a stock price falling in response. But I think investors were expecting better profitability out of the company, and that's why the share price is down over 10% following these announcements. But despite the miss in investor expectations, I liked what I saw from the company. Now, one of the reasons why the stock price could be down following the earnings release is because it was already up so much coming into this update. So there was already so much enthusiasm for Pinterest stock coming into this update. And so with the update, it wasn't as exciting as investors were expecting. But nonetheless, the numbers were strong, and let me share them with you here. Revenue jumped by 17% to 998 million. These were matching those numbers from Alphabet and Meta platforms. They're around the same level of growth. It was behind the level of growth of a company like Reddit, which grew almost 80%. It's the fastest growing social media stock. And the numbers were ahead of Snap. So the company reporting, I would say, middle of the level market performance here in terms of revenue growth. Cash flow from operations soared again to 207 million. That was up 95% from the same quarter last year. And as I've been talking about with the social media stocks, I really like this space because the user-generated content business model is so lucrative. Meta platforms generates operating profit margins north of 40%. Now, Pinterest doesn't need to be at those levels in order to generate great returns for investors, but it's already improving profitability, adjusted EBITDA margin up to 25%, up from 22%. And if you take the cash flow from operations number and divide it by sales, you get a number that's above 20%, approaching 21%. That's significantly higher than where it was the same time last year.
Click the link below to watch the full video.